Try to zoom in too. Like slide your thumb on. There was a car on the freeway with its hood up.
What the fuck? How is this possible?
That ain't every day.
How is this person seeing?
Who the fuck knows? That's wild.
God. Going what? 60 miles an hour?
No, we're like, yeah, we are 60. Охренеть. Fucking God. Me and David saw it live. It was loud, dude.
What?
Would you get out of your car, you think?
Yes.
No. Watch what he does. Hey, dear, go pick up the chunk of the car that fell out. Okay, let me go get it. Doesn't even get out and look at his car.
That's true. He's bad on Snapchat.
Here, I'll just throw this in the back.
What the?
Okay, it's only $5,000 worth of damage. Let's go.
It was a loud bam.
Oh yeah, and then they dragged it. There's like scrape marks on the concrete. I gotta go put the stop sign back.
Oh my God. Too
Oh, that's to
loud.
come, buddy. light, you dumb. Well, go yourself.
Yo, they wildin' out here. Yo. Look, it's all fucked up. Hey, yo. Yo. Shit was crazy, bro. Yo, what the fuck? Bacana que não vai longe. Vou bater o tio.
Le encanta a la gente arriesgar el pellejo. No, hombre, neta, les vale chorizo. No se Ay, no mames. No mames, no mames, no mames. ¡Ah, su verga!
Oh, God. It was a lot for he was a high schooler at the time. You know, I had just passed Mossad selection.
All right. We have to do this. Welcome to Well, there's your prop.
What the fuck are you doing? I need your insurance information.
Look, it's all fucked up. Hey, yo. Yo. Shit was crazy, bro.
Are you serious? What the hell? It's like he looked right at us and didn't even see us.
Buying. And if you know my previous habits, you're assuming I'm going to stay that way for the rest of my life. And maybe most people do, and maybe I might do that. But if I do, it's because I chose to, not because you have decided that that's how I should be.
Well, don't you think they're just
screaming at you, I'm sorry.
No, you're getting a little excited.
Sorry.
Don't you think they're just doing that because they think it would be effective to advertise in that way? So if you go Googling new Nikes, and then as you're looking at something and the Google ad pops up, and it's...
There was a teenage girl who was Googling pregnant.
Fucking idiots!
Wow, don't you love whenever big SUVs get stuck? And then your little compact fucking Toyota Corolla with a